Hey guys, Jack Star, and today's video is going to be an interesting video because I didn't get to be doing this, and I say this a lot of times in my videos, but I actually, if my cameraman faces the camera outside, you can tell, you can get a little closer if you want, if you go, you can actually tell that it's actually frozen, the grass looks frozen, the floor, the birdhouse looks frozen, and it's over there. And so today, I want to go over there to that fence, and I want to go shake it and do it in slow motion, because I think it would be kind of cool to show you guys. And yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so now out here and outside, and look at this. Look how pretty that is. So let's just walk through here. And it's pretty. The cameraman can show what it's like outside right now if you want. Yeah, it's literally like frozen ice on the ground. It's literally frozen. So, yeah, look at everything around here. It's frozen too. Look at that. Yeah, this is fun to do. Oh my god.
Look how weird this feels when you step on the ground.
Yeah, it really feels like you're stepping on broken ice or something like that. That's what it really feels like. So
it doesn't feel that cool either, so
alright, so let's head over to the spot we're gonna film. Look at that. Just look at all of that. Man. Alright. So the next spot I'm gonna do is when we shake the fence, because my mom said that it'd be kind of a cool experiment if we could show you guys what it's like to shake the fence with all the frozen stuff on it. So I'll see you guys then. Alright, so here we are at the first spot, and about 10 seconds or so we're gonna show what it's like. So here we go. Alright, so we just shook the first one. This was the result. Yeah, it literally shook like most of it down. It's crazy because literally it's so cold. You need gloves on for this. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's go to the back real quick to come over here. So you guys leave a comment below right now if you like this experiment, because it's honestly a really cool experiment to see what's like frozen, and then you shake it and see what the result is. So yeah.
Because the moment Corey started shaking it, literally the things on here just went.
Alright, so we're gonna now
Sorry for the interruption.
We're gonna now go to the bottom of it. And because my mom, she thinks that I don't know what
she was yelling, so we couldn't really hear.
Alright, sorry guys about the inconvenience there. We had inconvenience for like, I would say 2-3 minutes.
Jeez,
we're gonna shake this. My mom was getting after me about like she shake the gate or something. I'm like, I don't get it, because he's just saying it's winter. We can always just purchase a new one for this. It's kind of cool, so we're gonna hurry up.
Yeah, my hands are freezing.
Yeah, we're gonna hurry up. All right, so here we go. Hey, stop. Alright guys, so it's Jack Star, and we just finished filming that part over there, and that's
all of it.
My mom was interrupting us. I don't know why she was, but that was the result of the, what do you call it? Shaking ice fence, something like that.
We were shaking like a garden fence.
But yeah,
Yeah.
that was the experience to see what would happen, and really nothing happened. All that happened is pretty much it just fell down. That's what it all did. It's pretty cool out here right now.
Yeah.
We did not know this.
I kind of feel like my hands are frostbite right now.
All right, so to end the video off, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys hit the notification bell down below. Have it to notify of all videos that you know when I make every single video. And make sure you guys like the video too as well.
Yeah, if you guys subscribe, hit the bell like really fast. You can do it like less than 2 seconds, so it does not take very long at all to do.
Yep, that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the experiment, and I'll see you guys in my how to do video. Adios.